Hi everybody, my name is Isaac Antoine. I'm from Liberia, West Coast of Africa. I will be doing a video to show you guys something. To show you guys how to connect your switch. How to connect your telerouter. Your day switch, because there are day type of switch. You have one switch where you can only press and it come down alone. You have one switch you can, in French we call it go come. This is go come. This is come. You contact, you leave it off alone. So this will say come, but you cannot go with it. And then the things we use to make the water hot in your house, in your toilet, in your bathroom, in your kitchen, whatever you need hot water, wherever you need hot water, is the three type of element. I will show you how to connect it, and you can do it all alone. You just buy a hot water tank or your chauffage pour chauffer your hot water, your heater to heat your hot water. We call it heater, your heater, whatever. With this, you can make your water, you can connect it to your water and make your water hot. You can use hot water in your house with this. I will show you how to do it because I'm an electrician. For the past 2 years I'm studying electricity, and I'm still studying. I will be doing my exam, and I will be doing my exam in 6 months time. I show that I will get my diploma and go to another level. I will have my diploma and go to another level. Sorry, I speak French a lot. I'm getting used to the French, but for those of you the French people, dans cette vidéo, je vais vous montrer comment connecter un télérouteur en va-et-vient et un contact jaune 2 ampères avec un 20 ampères. Comment mettre sous le contact ODF. Dans chaque type de disjoncteur ou dans chaque type, je vais vous montrer les noms, les fonctions sur ça. You see, this is, in français we say contact. This is the contact for your heater. To make your water hot, this is the contact. But this contact cannot march alone. This contact, you need this contact, and you need another contact again, which is C20, 620 pour les Français, 20 ampères C20 pour faire marcher ton ballon d'eau chaud. Après, on a le contact ODF. Parce que si c'est le ballon d'eau chaud, ça marche avec le contact ODF. Si tu ne mets pas le contact ODF, ça ne peut pas marcher. Ça peut pas marcher. Donc, il faut le contact ODF pour les faire marcher. Okay. In English, I'm going to show you guys a lot of things. I'm going to show you guys, like, in my house, I have this switch. The switch, using the switch that is here, it's working with a light. You see the light? The switch working with this light. I will show you guys how it can work in my next video, how to connect it again. Okay, like the one I say go and come is for the light. You see, this is the go and come. It permits me to on it here, on off it, off, on, off, on. But I can on this here, and then I come again, I off it here. That's why we say go and come. Sorry, I jumped the switch. I come and off it here. That's why we say go and come. For example, you see the place is dark, there is no light, the letter on. I let it here, and I come here. I off the switch. I will show you guys how to do this on my next video. Je vais vous montrer dans mon prochain vidéo comment faire tout ça. Les schémas, comment comprendre les schémas pour vous, les lycéens. Il y a beaucoup de difficultés pour les gens au lycée, pour les gens au CFA, pour les gens partout en Afrique. Peut-être tu as des mal, souffle les schémas. Tu dis non, c'est difficile, c'est pas facile, c'est très facile. Maybe you don't know how to read a plan. You think it's very hard. It is hard. I cannot understand a plan. What they know is very easy. In my next topic, we are going straight to the point, the practical. I will tell you the theory and the practical. We'll be doing the theory and the practical. So when you want to learn more, please follow me. This is the first video to just introduce myself to you, to tell you that I'm here for you to understand. If you are studying electricity, you cannot understand, I will make you understand. Okay, goodbye to everyone. See you later. See you in the next talk, because I have more for you to learn. I will teach you more things. More things I will teach you on my YouTube channel, on my Facebook page, and on my Instagram. I will you guys, we together. Have a nice day. See you guys later.